Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Fiverr. Fiverr is another popular freelancing platform where you can offer your skills and services to clients. Here are 6 ways you can earn money on Fiverr. 1. Freelance services offer a wide range of services based on your expertise, such as graphic design, content writing, web development, social media, marketing, video editing, and more. Create well-detailed gig listings that clearly explain what you offer and what clients can expect. 2. Specialize in a niche. Similar to Upwork, specializing in a specific niche or skill within your field can help you stand out. Clients often seek experts in particular areas, and if you can showcase your expertise, you'll attract clients looking for those skills. 3. Create gig packages. Fiverr allows you to offer different service packages at varying price points. You can create basic, standard, and premium packages to cater to clients with different budgets and needs. This flexibility can increase your earning potential. 4. Add gig extras. Offer additional services or gig extras that clients can purchase to enhance their order. For example, if you're a writer, you could charge extra for faster delivery, additional research, or revisions. This can boost your income on each project. 5. Promote your gig. Fiverr provides tools to promote your gigs, such as paid advertising within the platform or sharing your gigs on social media and other online channels. The more exposure your gigs get, the more likely you are to attract clients. 6. Deliver outstanding customer service. Building a positive reputation on Fiverr is essential for long-term success. Provide excellent customer service, communicate clearly with clients, meet deadlines, and deliver high-quality work. Satisfied clients are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend you to others. Keep in mind that Fiverr, like any freelancing platform, requires dedication and effort to build a successful freelancing business. It may take some time to establish your presence and reputation, but with persistence and a commitment to delivering value to your clients, you can increase your earning potential on Fiverr.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below. This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.